Hello everybody. Today I got 3 different items unboxing. So let's start from black one, because black one is the smallest one, and let's see what is there. And if it will be not enough time in this video, everything else I will open in another video. So let's see. First of all, I want to tell you that I don't know where is what. I have no idea what is here. I have no idea what is here. I have no idea what is here because I got a lot of collaborator propositions in my email, and everybody sent to me, but who is where I will see only after opening. So what it is here? Wow! Wow! That's so cool! I already know what it is. I guess what it is. I already made them unboxing yesterday. One gadget for adults. You can take a look. Just from them, different days come boxing. So what it is here? Here is incredible peignoir, shirt, and incredible transparent items. Wow! Just take a look at this top. Wow! That's top. Actually, this is incredible top. And you know what? I will go to hospital next week, and that's exactly what I wear in a hospital. I think it will be really nice. What do you think about this? Here also part for down, and shorts. It's also incredible. Wow, wow, wow. And peignoir. So let's see how it looks. How it looks peignoir. Let's see. Actually, let me change corner of my camera and I'll show you this in the next video.